Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to share games on Steam. So if you're wondering what Steam sharing, usually Steam family sharing it is something that lets our Steam library with another account so that they can play our games without buying them again. So open up Steam on your PC and log in with the main account that owns your game. After that is done, you need to enable the Steam card. So look out for the Steam option in the top and select it, and select the option of settings from there. After you select your settings account, go to security. And within security, you need to look out for the option for Steam card and make sure this option is turned on. You can select manage Steam card and then turn it on. And once it is turned on, what you need to do is this option is very necessary because family sharing won't work without Steam card. In the settings option, again, you need to select the option for family. And once you select the family option, you can authorize library sharing on this device. And from this section right here, you can select a particular account that we want to share the games with. So you can just go ahead and do so. You can join a family or create a family if you have not done yet. And then once that is done, you just need to log out. So for that, you can look out for your Steam option at the top, or if not here, look out for the account option and change account or sign out option, and log into your other Steam account and directly go to the library section, and this is where your shared game will appear. And the thing you need to know is only one person can play the shared library at the game. Not all of the games support this feature, and the other account keeps their own saves and achievements, and if your account starts playing, the other user gets kicked after a few minutes. That is it, everybody. That is how you share games on Steam. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.